You want to intro this?
What the frick is up?
Welcome back to my channel. Today my sister's here and she's going to do my makeup.
Yep.
She's gonna do it in her normal style. Which
Very
is
cash.
minimal.
Well, yes. Right now I'm wearing nothing, so.
Well, me either.
Well, yeah, but that's the point. We're doing yours.
So she's gonna take it away.
Okay.
I don't expect you to say all the products. So.
I'm going to, for sure.
Okay, good.
Oh, my name's Marissa.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with Revlon colors today.
Why are you talking like that?
Oh my god.
Okay, I shouldn't be able to see this, right?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Not good at this.
Okay.
Dude, I don't think I've ever done your makeup, like literally ever.
Have you ever done anyone's?
Well, honestly, I don't think
Besides
so.
yourself? Okay. Well, this is good.
Should I use the beauty blender? See, I just used my fingers. I mean, I could do that.
Could.
Wait, close your eyes.
Oh.
I'm gonna get into that crease. Wow, Cassie, this is really weird. Hold on.
Okay.
You're not even looking at me.
And Marissa is much more of the artist in general. Like painting, you're way better.
Wow.
Way better than me.
Yeah, for real. This is actually pretty hard.
It is.
You should make Zach do this.
Oh, he has done it before.
Just for fun.
Yeah. And he didn't do horrible, but he didn't do that great. And I forgot to take a picture and he was really mad.
I need some under eye.
Concealer?
Yeah. I never do that on mine because I like the bad look. But yours are really purple. I like to do a light finish. Nothing too cakey. We're gonna need some
Concealer?
concealer, yes.
Okay, you want like
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Is that gonna blend out well?
Tell what is it? You said
Okay,
you're doing
sharp.
No.
Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. Wow.
It's very.
I could do what the beauty gurus do where they do the psh, 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 psh.
You can do it.
I'm not doing it.
But it's very full coverage.
I think I might use my finger for this.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not. Freaking heck.
You need a sponge.
Okay, we're gonna have to use some up here, I got. Okay, give me a sponge.
Oh.
Okay, so we're just blending that out. I really need to get right up in there. Normally next, I skip eyebrows on myself because I don't care. But we're gonna do a little bit of that for Cassie today. Okay, we are using Revlon Color Stay. It's very faded this one. But it's just, you know, that light shade. Don't know, it's this color. Cassie freaking blonde. Okay, come. This way. I'll just come over here again.
What? Is it doing anything? It feels like a feather.
Okay, next step we're gonna go in with the MAC Double Gleam for a little highlight, because sometimes on a few occasions I've highlighted, so I'm just trying to give her the look that I would do for myself. So the only places I highlight are my little cheeks, and then I like to hit
Not her big cheeks. Her little cheeks only.
I like to hit my cupid's bow for that little, for the lips, you know? Okay, I'm gonna need you to go.
Oh! Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay,
Mm.
dust it. See, we just get up on that bone. Cassie has beautiful cheeks for this. Fantastic. Relax. You love highlight.
I do.
Actually, freak it. Today we're
Everywhere.
gonna hit the eyebrow today.
Yeah, you can hit it all. I'm
I'm
fine
gonna
with it.
freaking hit it.
Oh.
Well, the eyebrows get a little lighter after this highlight, but that's okay. You got light hair. Next, we're going to do eyeshadow. And today I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use oh shit. Ew. Okay, pause the freaking video. Cassie.
I choked on water.
Sit up straight, breathe deep.
remember.
Is that wrong?
That's right, but you just said like you didn't send a palette and it just got me for some reason.
It's looking crusty now.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, back to the palette. Well, it has no name. Prism. God. Then I'm gonna use Pyramid and Sphinx, which is the gold. This one, if you can see that. And then where's the other one? And this one. This and this. Okay, we're going for like a gold brown. So we're gonna do the pyramid in her crease and then fade it and then do brown, and I'm gonna do it on the top and the bottom of her eye.
Oh.
Hell yeah.
This is Marissa's signature.
Yeah, this is literally what I do every time I get ready, which is rare these days. Okay. We like to pack a lot of gold. We sure do. So after this, then I'm gonna do a cat eye, and then we're just gonna finish off with some classy mascara. Damn, gold looks good with these green eyes. Okay, I'm actually gonna actually keep it close. Okay. Okay, I'm over here.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, well, don't be scared then.
I'm not.
You just said I may have got a little on your eye. I can see it. Oh, it's coming together.
Blink it through.
Blink it
Oh
through.
my gosh, we're so
wow,
excited.
it honestly looks legit. Close up. I mean, open. Beep. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
It's okay. You have to make sure it's a solid gold. We're back over here.
Nothing but 24 karat.
Now we're going in with the brown. Final touch on this left eye. Right eye. So we had our little gold brown moment. As you can see, it's really coming together. And we're gonna just take a moist towelette, as we like to call it.
Is this to remove the fallout?
Yeah.
Or the foundation?
No, we're gonna touch that up.
And the concealer. Yeah, it usually doesn't make it better.
Yeah, well, how else? If I have fallout, I just leave it. Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, so that's really coming together. Let's use
That's
that.
the phrase, coming together.
Next, we're actually gonna curl the eyelashes before we do eyeliner. Because I figured out for me that if you do your eyeliner first and then curl it, it just messes it up.
Oh.
So, here we go.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, get a good curl.
These are really good lash curlers.
For the eyeliner, we're gonna use Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. Never used it.
It's new. It's very good.
I'm excited because I've actually wanted to try
Look at
this.
it. It's a dagger.
I know. Let's see.
It's very black.
Oh, wow. This is gonna be nice.
Okay.
Okay. So, I also don't do my eyeliner all the way from this part all the way over here because I have tiny eyes. So, we're gonna do the same technique on her where it's just like...
Marissa, you can't laugh
I
right
know,
now.
you can't either.
Well,
I saw it. I saw you about to, and I was like, okay, I'm not going
Okay.
yet. Cassie, seriously? I mean, this is definitely not a perfect eyeliner. Actually, can you look up? Actually, look a little bit more down.
Eyeliner, doing it on someone else is a
Okay,
lot
don't
of...
talk.
Okay.
That's pretty decent.
Good?
I mean, it's not perfect by
It
all
doesn't
means.
have to be perfect.
Oh my god. Okay, last step. Besides like a little lip gloss that we'll add at the end. But we just got this mascara.
lip gloss.
You want me to do this part?
Yeah, you know, go ahead.
This is weird.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh,
Okay.
wow.
What I like to do is move it up.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
Okay, now I'm gonna do a little bit on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
I always do
I
bottom.
know.
Wow, I'm pretty proud of this look.
I'm so excited.
Comment
to see
below if you love this look. This is drugstore? I like the wand.
it. It's L'Oreal or
Okay,
Maybelline.
can you turn this way? Ooh, this is gonna be hard to do. I guess I'll come out with this. Wow, I really need to get this stuff.
It's really good, I'm telling
Wow, you guys, total tease.
I thought
Never.
Didn't you watch my last video?
Yes, dude.
Oh, wow.
That's a
telling you.
very good mascara.
CoverGirl, that's what it is. CoverGirl
Yeah.
Total Tease. Very good.
Okay, now we're just gonna go back in one more time with some gold.
Why?
To cover up that huge mistake I made.
She really brings the lower lash line and smudges it down.
Yeah, I really like looking like I'm like tired and like hungover almost.
Oh. At one point, Marissa would put like literally red eyeshadow under her eyes,
Yeah.
and bring it all the way down.
I used to like to look ill, and I had like white gray hair, and I just looked ill.
It's a grunge look.
Yeah. Do you have any like lip gloss?
Oh, do I have? These are Buxom ones.
Ooh, I'll do my little technique.
Tell them your
This
technique.
is my other technique. So I take red lipstick and I put it just like right here to make it look like you've almost been sucking on a red lollipop and it stained your lips. For the lips, I just go like this, yeah. Just like right where it opens your mouth. And then this was just NYX liquid. Okay, so then you're just gonna rub that. And almost you're making your lips look chapped. It's really weird why I like this. Can you go a little bit? This one's good too. I used to have this one in my house.
What's this? Yeah, because you stole it.
This
from me.
one's Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. See, this one's open. This one's a little bit more like chapped. So if you do a lighter red on the bottom and then a more chapped on top, perfect.
Chapped red. Everyone always tells us we look like twins,
Yeah.
but we're not. But really, we are kind of in a way. It's weird.
And I would say you're done.
Okay.
I mean, this is a little pronounced. Now it's real pronounced. Okay, now for her reveal. You don't like it? You look just like me. What do you not like about it? What the freak? We're going out like this. Just kidding. We are doing that.
Okay.
I think it looks good.
I do think I look similar to you when you do this.
Mm-hmm.
I think that the wings.
Well, yeah, you messed up my wig.
Yes. Okay. I messed up her wings,
Mm-hmm.
which is why they look like this.
Mm-hmm.
The wings are slightly off, but the shadow I really like.
Gold looks good with green eyes.
And it's like a yellowish gold, so I think that looks really good. And
Yeah, you look good.
the lips are very high fashion, I feel. And actually, my skin looks good. You did a good job. Let's do a
Your eyes
close-up.
are popping.
The eyes are popping, honestly, with the
Yeah, that's why I do that to myself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, show the camera.
Okay. Let's zoom in.
It looks good. I don't even care. I mean, it's... Okay, let's be honest, though. The eyeliner did get messed up, but the gold looks good.
So, this is Marissa's makeup look on me. Sister. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Marissa, what should they do?
Like and subscribe. Oh my god, sue me.
Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.
Bye!
Bye-bye now.
Mom goes, she's like, I just like all her videos no matter what.
Oh.
Do I look oily?
No. I just said no automatically.
You don't even know.
I don't think you do. You look healthy.
I feel like I'm doing like a ghost tutorial.
For Halloween. Okay.
Okay, let's just blend that shit out.
That's why the recording light's on, right? This is a PG channel.
No, I meant like, yeah.
Tiny? You meant tiny?
Okay, don't smile, please. I'm touching your teeth. It's horrible. Okay.